Namaste ji. I am just like a small flickering lamp standing here in front of the learned great scholars, sannyasis, and I think whatever I am going to show, it will be a touching the tips only. So it will be so general that you may think that what I am trying to talk. So please bear with me. Let's have the first slide. See, the topic is how to rejuvenate the reform movement of Arya Samaj for the youth. Because there are certain sectors, they feel that there is a apathy, and that's why we need to have a new life, new energy, and new sources. When we get the new sources, then new ideas come. New ideas produce new plans, and that make us progress further. See, currently everybody knows what is the status of Hindus in India. And I will give you later on how the people are destroying our civilization. There is a tremendous need for volunteerism and substance abuse. If Arya Samaj has to live by the standards of the humanity, we need to serve the people, and that's why the volunteerism is needed. And it starts from our children, from other students, to make the Vedic study groups in the schools and colleges. Unless we have those kind of groups, other people will not have any idea. Then substance abuse is the major problem in every country, especially amongst the poor, even as the rich and the people who take the bribe. They tell you in India, bring a bottle. Education is a strong base for the Arya Samaj, but the primary purpose is to spread Vedic messages and stop subliminal messages. Means I will tell you how to brainwash is going on mass, and that's called subliminal, means below the conscious. You may not realize, and things are being done. So we need to be cautious, and I will show you further. Okay, on Government of India has a website, but on that website, whose Ved Bhashya are there? Sayan, Mahidhar. We have so many people in the government now. Please request them to put the Bhashya of Swami Dayanand on the government website, so that way everybody gets the clear message. Next slide. Subliminal messages. We have so many stamps of Arya Samaj leaders. But what happens? Sorry to say, please pardon me for pointing what I get it. I will show you, because I am not criticizing anybody. Everybody is free. Next slide. When I get the literature from India, the magazines, whose picture is there? The great person called Teresa, who is bent his life to convert the Hindus into Christianity, and who is spreading this message. Our magazines. I have so many magazines, but I have given only 2, so as to make you realize that indirectly we are spreading the message of Christianity. Next paragraph, next slide. Okay, what we need to do is concrete solutions. In India, we need to find a Gurukul which is in need, produce Vedic missionaries, because nowadays I don't see any Vedic missionary coming from India or even from United States, because we are still trying to stand our own feet. So we were anticipating, and I will tell you the problems. In the Gurukuls, we need to have a mobile Gurukuls on the wheels. Tanga, Belgadi, let's go to another village. From village to village, have some establishment, some contact, and that is the way the Arya Samaj is going to spread. So we need volunteers, Vedic missionaries, and to correct colonial curriculum in schools and colleges, universities, administrative examinations of government and central government. We are still following what the British wrote for us, and we never ever made an attempt to show who we are and what is our history. Veer Savarkar wrote a book, 1000 Years of Golden History, and that is completely erased from the history of India. Okay, in US and Canada, if a Vedic scholar comes, which is usually learned in Sanskrit, but people generally in United States or even in India do not know Sanskrit. So what I am trying to say, Desh Kal Paristiti, we need to change according to geography, culture, need of the people. Means we need to use the local language. Christian missionaries go to the jungles and find the people and translate the Bible into their language. How many people we have tried, but at least they can adapt to the language, and I have been fighting for last 25 years for that, but I'm unsuccessful. On global level, what we need to do, adopt a Vedic press in India, or adapt a magazine which should be intercontinental level, where articles are of great magnitude of learning, and it should be, in my opinion, be English, because most of the people or most of the countries where the Hindus or other people have settled, they are British-speaking or say English-speaking countries. There may be Spanish, because there are Spaniards are in about 72 countries, so but very few Hindus or the people of Indian origin have gone to the Spanish. But that should be thought over and make a point. So next, please, republish the Satyat Prakash. See, the problem with Satyat Prakash is it was written at the time of British. What was the need according to the time, and it was addressed excellently. But now the timings have changed. We need to at least republish the book in a simple English. I have not seen a book, English, which is written in simple English. We have started this project with Acharya Brahm. Where is he? He is here. So we are planning to do a international edition. Arya Veer Dal groups, we need to prepare each Arya Samaj in India, and those Arya Veer Dal need to develop friendship with other classmates and make the Vedic groups, so that way the message can be transmitted from the scholars to the Arya Samaj members, and then to the Arya Veer Dal and to the common person in the school. So that way everybody can get the new blood in, and the youth will be happy to know. Okay, now another question comes, what should we do in the Western countries? It's very simple. on Christmas Day celebrate Kalpavraksha, Swami Sardanand Martyrs Day, and ask them various Vedic terminology on a tree. So that way they learn something new and there is something more attractive for them. Next, please. Okay, now we can learn something from the other organizations. Somebody has already said about Brahma Kumaris. Every week, one item comes from Brahma Kumari, thought for today. At least we have so many scholars, they can rotate. At least 1 month is one scholar, so 12 months, 12 scholars, and give those quotations of Swami Dayanand, Swami Sardanand, or any scripture from Ved, Upanishad, so that way it goes on en masse throughout the world. Number 2, each Arya Samaj member at the end of an email, when we end it, we need to put a quotation which may be permanent. That's what I put here. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, accept truth and shun falsehood, something like that. And with the time period of mercy, Dayanand Saraswati, 1834, 1883. My all emails, they contain this statement. So everybody can do it. Even we have at least so many emails and everybody promises to do it, it will multiply 100 times. So that will be the best way to reach even to the people who don't know what is Arya Samaj. Next. There should be each Mahasambhelal here, we need to have an essay competition or the youth of the debates. So debates by the youth on a particular subject. So what happens, the youth will learn, they come forward, other people will learn. We adults are getting old and will disappear soon, but we have to prepare some new blood. That is the only way to get the debates and essays to come. And volunteerism already said. Next. Social reform. See, that's what the trained, dedicated youth as a volunteer to learn and educate in the school, in the colleges about the drug and alcohol. Create Vedic study group, create special funds to provide assistance, reward and incentives to students to become Vedic missionaries in the Gurukul. Then they will be more tuned to have a new study group with seva in their mind. Next, please. Okay, special role of Arya Samaj Chicagoland. This is very important. Why I am presenting this? Because Chicago is a very big city. Usually, Vishwa Hindu Parishad people have their organizations and celebrate Swami Vivekananda's anniversary or 100 years or whatever. But in that, at least few of our Arya Samaj followers should go and tell us on this particular organization when they are celebrating Vivekananda's. Many Arya Samajis even don't know, the Arya Samaj people don't know that Professor Balkrishna, he was the fellow of Royal Historical Society and extra, and Pandit Ayodhya Prasad of Arya Samaj, they participated. But nobody talks about that. So you, the people from the Chicago, please make sure that audience, whatever, wherever, can hear that two people were there and what they did. They achieved one goal, that before any prayer at that inter-religious World Parliament group, Ved will be the first to recite the mantras and the other people will follow it. So that is a question of our proud and we should need to know. Next. Okay, now the problem is we are really brainwashed and also brainwashed in the Arya Samaj. Many places I have heard and seen, oh, we need to read only 10 chapters of Satyad Prakash. Rest, just leave it. And many people in India, I have seen, they translated Satyad Prakash in English with 10 chapters. So why do you forget there are 4 remaining? Purva Paksh means we need to know who we are, and we need to know who are our adversaries, who are our opposites, who are the people who are going to give us a hard time. Those are dealing with them is Purva Paksh. Swami Dayanand has remarkably written for the Hindus the chapter 11 and chapter 12 for atheists, and chapter 13 for the Christians, and chapter 14 for the Muslims. See, when there were Vedic missionaries, at the time of Swami Dayanand, when he established Arya Samaj, each and every missionary used to go in villages, and what they would used to do, they will go and sit down with love and care with the priest of the Christian church and also with the mullah of the masjid. But what they are going to talk? See, they are going to provoke. So how they were responding? In a polite manner. That, see, you are talking about that Brahma raped so-and-so, it's written in that book. But then the answer is, there are hundreds of Brahmas. Which Brahma you are talking? In your scripture, you have a person, all the prophets, even the Christians or Muslims, they have so much, it is beyond my description to tell what they did. And please read the book of that Arab imperialism by Anwar Sheikh. He describes all the 7 prophets of Muslims as well as Christians, because they have a combined. Muslims follow the Muhammad and the Christians follow the Christ. And follow how they did and what they did. One of the prophet Lot, he had incest with his 2 daughters. So nobody asked, and they will say, oh no, it's not true. It is a fact, but they don't know. So this way we need to demoralize the opposites and make them clear, and without fighting, because we have many people who fight and curse and get angry when they are talking. That is absurd. That is unwanted, uncalled. You are making a person adversary. Our purpose of Purva Paksh is to make an adversary as a follower. So we have to change the way we deal. Next, please. Please go back. So that is the 10th chapter, Arya Samaj. Now, there are other people, the Muslims and Christians and atheists, they will read only 3 chapters. They will not read from the beginning. So we need to tell them that start from the first page, what is the purpose of writing the book and what is in it. That way they will have a clear realization that it is not just for them, it is just for the truth, nothing but the truth, which everybody wants. Next, please. Okay, what we can learn? See, I saw about 2 weeks ago, this car having a sticker which says Islam, and it has all the insignia of many religions of the world, but none of Hindus. We can have many such stickers, so that way wherever we go, we have identity and we maintain our identity and let the people know who we are. Next. Okay, another innovation. I went to a Buddhist meditation center. Each Buddhist meditation center possesses this kind of picture, that is Mahatma Buddha sitting and his lifestyle. Can't our either Arya Pratinidhi Sabha of America or of India make this one as of Swami Dayanand? Why we have not done so far? So this is just an idea. Next, please. So, and very sorry to say, now I do not know Sanskrit. Very simple, and many people don't know. I am not afraid of telling my weaknesses because that's the way I learn. See, in Sanskar books, what it says, impregnation, as if you are giving an injection to a woman and getting pregnant. The better terminology is conception ceremony instead of impregnation ceremony. Number 2, when there is a newborn, the name is Jat Karma Sanskar. Means Arya Samaj believes in Jat and they give the Jati to the person at the time of birth. That's what I think. That's what happens. So instead of Jat, why not use Nav Jivan Sanskar or some similar kind of that and remove the word Jat? I know that Jat means Janma, but I do not read Sanskrit. For me, it's like Kala Akshar Bhais Barabar, right? So I will take it Jat. Next, please. So these are subtle things which we need to address. Okay, this is I am collecting, this one was done in the Jodhpur, and there was a Ved conference, but whosoever came from outside the speech to deliver, they said, Arya Samaj is Sampradaya ke log. So we are now becoming what? A sect. Are we sect? So therefore, we need to make our identity known. The best thing I have ever came across, it says Arya Jan. Instead of Arya Samaji, use the word Arya Jan. Everybody will be pleased. Next, please. Okay, this is just to get the Mahashay Dharmpal ji Manav Sena ko badaye, or that's what he started the program, so that is the first step in that one. Next. Okay, Abrahamic religions, how to bring back those who left attending satsang. We need to focus on that. When I started, there were many whites and blacks. They used to come, but now not only black and whites, but many Hindus have also disappeared. Why they disappeared? This is a fault of ours. We need to discover. Nobody wants to discover that thing. And the person who is at fault, who never speaks English, gives the sermon. That is a shame for me. I have been fighting. My children also stopped coming because they don't understand what the person is talking. So that I wasted my life. Then we can approach to the roommates, classmates, those who are in the schools and colleges. And that is like a satsang going on and can be coordinated with other Hindu organizations. Since my time is running out, next slide, please. Proposal. What should be the proposal? I think anybody can afford $10 a month donation, and then we send that donation to a needy Gurukul or a benevolent work, whosoever doing. I have come across Dr. Vivek Arya, who is publishing the books, and I have helped him. Similarly, people can start drug alcohol education program, and Aryavir Dal can propagate further. Now, next slide, please. Okay, go back, please. Now, these are the things, how to attract the adults. Only by the physical activities. If you have any Arya Samaj here in America, does not have any akhada. I had a dream to open akhada, but people don't want to have a karate in their building because of the problem of insurance. You can buy the insurance, have the mattresses, rent the place for karate. rent the place for ninjutsu, then start akhada, and then have kusti, malkham, anything. So that way the local students as well as ours will be involved. Now, I saw that picture of ladies, girls getting in their hand the sword. So I want to show you that to invite others who are not interested, start please this video. It's a very short clip and you will be amazed to see what kind of dance is that. Can you turn the lights off? Yeah, that's good. What they have? They have swords in their hands. That's okay, sound, we don't worry sound. Okay, you see the swords? They are dancing with the swords. That is the Lok Nritya in Rajasthan. So why not we teach that kind of things to our girl students so they can defend themselves and not only themselves but to others. So these are some of the suggestions. Could you please go back to the last slide? Since my time is up, last slide. No, before that. Okay, I think somebody has removed my mark here. What I wrote is, today as proposing this $10 can be collected. No, the slide, only slide, yeah. So I have planned to donate $5,000 to publish books for Mr. M.R. Rajan of Kerala Gurukul for publishing in Malayalam, and this money I am going to give to Vivek Arya so he can publish the book. Similarly, others I would like to share this one here at the end, this one here. So I am asking only 10. That's my proposal, but now the conference can decide what to do, and the conference has come a great deal. Now it's maturing up, but we need to have proposals, and the proposal should be passed. Then some committees should be formed, and that committee work on that proposal, and the results should be published in the next conference, and we should have a proceeding. That's the usual format of all the conferences in United States, right? Okay, that's the end of it. So you can decide now what to do.